Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing alright. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how I go about painting my Space Wolf heavy intercessors, which you can get from the Pariah Nexus box set for Kill Team. I use mechanical standard grey, so I've basically just sprayed it, the full model with that. I'm not a big fan of the baby blue for Space Wolves, although they do look good, but for me I kind of like the 30k colour scheme. So what we're doing here is just going around everywhere that's going to be black and also everywhere that's going to be silver, and we're base coating that in black. Simple reason is silver goes over black a lot better. So once everywhere is base coated in the black, what we're going to do is go around and pick out all the metal areas. Now I've recently just found Iron Warriors. Obviously you can use Lead Belcher or whatever, but for me Iron Warriors is now my new favourite metal colour. So we're basically just going to go around everywhere that's going to be silver and paint that in Iron Warriors. So once all the silver's done, we're going to go on to the shoulder pads. Now, I have had a bit of a problem with these. I always paint the wrong shoulder pad the wrong colour, but I do believe I've got this right. So what we're doing here is just painting this shoulder pad in red. Obviously the triangle markings are going to go over it, but that will happen at the end, and you don't really see it in this video. I might make another video on how to do that. But yeah, just water it down. Obviously it doesn't matter too much if you go over, because we are going to be tidying back up after the wash stage, and the same goes here for the yellow. Now yellow, again, a notorious colour to paint. You are going to have a lot of coats, maybe 2-3 coats, make them very thin. But a little tip as well, once you've painted one, try not to go over it again, because you will pick up the paint again, if that makes sense, and leave a horrible lumpy stain. And also go in the same direction, which is what I try to do mostly. So the next part as well is we're going to base coat all the pouches with Mornfang brown, just a really nice brown to get over on all the pouches and the knife. What is it called? A scabbard? Is that what it's called? I don't know. But yeah, basically anything that's leather on the model. So now here comes the fun part. So I just wash the full model now with Nuln Oil. Alternatively, if you want to take a lot longer to paint it, you can just pin wash it, and you can skip out a step completely of going back over the armour. But I just find this way a lot easier, basically. So once that wash is all over, we're just going back over colours now. So corn red back over the shoulder pad there. So yeah, so now we're painting Avalanche Sunset back over the yellow shoulder pad. Now what we're going to do is go around and paint the armour back with mechanical standard grey. For some reason it hasn't recorded me doing this, but the next step we were doing is edge highlighting everywhere with Dawn Stone. If your highlights get a bit chunky, you can go back with mechanical standard grey and just make them a lot thinner. So what we're going to see next is the full model painted. Obviously you can see the shoulder pad there. I will be doing a separate video how to do the markings and so forth, but let's go take a look at it all finished. And there we go, guys, all based in my snowy scheme. Obviously you do whatever you want to do, but that is how the model looks. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all later.